Best blender for ice? Most people waste money on the wrong one. Let's fix that today. Ice can destroy a weak motor in seconds. I tested the top blenders, so you don't have to guess. Starting at rank 5, the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro with BlendSense technology brings smart sensing to your countertop. Its build feels solid and modern, with a large 72-ounce pitcher and a clean digital dial interface. BlendSense technology automatically senses ingredients and adjusts speed and time for consistent results every time. In our ice test, it powered through a full pitcher of cubes into fine, even snow within seconds. It's a great fit for busy mornings, quickly blending frozen fruit smoothies before the family heads out. Everyday users love how little effort it takes, since the machine handles the guesswork for you. The pros are clear: strong 1800 peak watt power, smart automation, and a spacious dishwasher-safe pitcher. Honestly, it can feel a bit loud on higher settings, so keep that in mind for shared apartments. Overall, the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro earns its place as a smart, capable, everyday ice-crushing option. This blender is best for tech-loving home cooks who want smart features without a steep learning curve. Rank 4 goes to the Blendtec Classic 575 blender, a favorite among serious home blending enthusiasts. Its sturdy base and iconic square jar design feel built for years of heavy daily use. With 5 speeds and pre-programmed cycles, it takes the guesswork out of smoothies, ice cream, and more. During testing, it pulverized ice into smooth, powder-like snow in under a single cycle. It shines for weekend batch cooking, easily blending large soups or frozen margaritas for guests. Home chefs appreciate the consistent texture it delivers, batch after batch, without any manual guesswork. Pros include a powerful motor, durable jar, and reliable pre-programmed cycles for consistent results. The trade-off is a higher price point, so it's more of an investment than a casual purchase. This blender suits serious home cooks who blend often and want long-term durability above all else. Overall, the Blendtec Classic 575 delivers professional-grade crushing power built to last for years. Taking rank 3 is the Vitamix E310 Explorian blender, a name trusted by professional kitchens everywhere. Its compact 48-ounce container and aircraft-grade stainless blades reflect true professional-grade construction. 10 variable speeds and a pulse feature give precise control over texture, from chunky to silky smooth. In testing, it turned solid ice cubes into fine snow in seconds, with barely any noticeable strain. It's perfect for daily green smoothies, nut butters, and even warm soups made from blending friction. Health-focused users love its versatility, since one machine easily replaces several separate kitchen appliances. Pros include exceptional motor power, precise control, and a trusted 7-year warranty for peace of mind. On the downside, it comes at a premium price, and the container is smaller than some full-size rivals. This blender is ideal for health-conscious users who prioritize performance and long-term reliability over price. Overall, the Vitamix E310 Explorian proves why the brand remains a benchmark for serious blending performance. Rank 2 belongs to the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ, a serious step up in power. Its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher and sturdy base give it a strong, professional-looking presence on any counter. 3 Auto IQ programs automatically pulse, blend, and pause to create smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream.
With 1400 peak watts and total crushing blades, it turned a full pitcher of ice into snow almost instantly.
It's a natural fit for family homes, easily blending large batches of frozen drinks for everyone at once. Busy households benefit most, since the Auto IQ programs remove all the guesswork from daily blending. Pros include huge capacity, genuinely smart automation, and dishwasher-safe parts that make cleanup effortless. Its main limitation is the plastic pitcher, which feels less premium than higher-end glass or tritan options. This blender is best for larger families who want serious ice-crushing power at a genuinely fair price. Overall, the Ninja Professional Plus blender earns a strong silver medal for power, capacity, and everyday value. Taking the top spot is the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender BL610, the ultimate all-around ice crusher. Its compact, sturdy design and 72-ounce pitcher make it a proven favorite in kitchens for years. With 1,000 watts of professional power and total crushing blades, it's built specifically to dominate ice. In our head-to-head ice test, smoothest, most consistent snow-like texture of any blender. It's ideal for everyday use, from morning smoothies to weekend frozen margaritas with friends and family. Everyday families love the balance it strikes between raw crushing power and genuinely simple, one-touch operation. Pros include unbeatable value, powerful ice crushing, and a proven design trusted by millions of households. Its only real downside is a more basic feature set compared to pricier, smart-sensing competitor models. This blender is perfect for anyone wanting maximum ice-crushing performance without an unnecessary premium price. Overall, the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender BL610 fully earns its place as our #1 pick. 5 great blenders, 5 different strengths, from smart sensing to raw professional crushing power. Want smart automation? Choose the Ninja Detect. Want a legacy powerhouse? The Vitamix or Blendtec won't disappoint. But for pure value and unstoppable ice crushing, the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender BL610 is our top pick.